So each of you get the chance to be a part of one group of some evil niggas. So tell me your name and superpower. My power can actually blow off somebody's head. So I call myself Mind Blower. Simple but efficient. What about you over there, sir? My name Blackface. I'm a stab up people. Like stab up people good. I eat enough watermelon, like enough watermelon, brother. I love stab up people. I love stab up people. You clearly have daddy issues. But you, what your superpower and name? Oh, so me give me enemies severe diarrhea and like my name Enos Slayer. What? Enos Slayer, cause like me make them bottom like hurt them bottom. Brother, we not take you with that name there, no? What about Enos Punisher? No! Explosive Rectum Man. You really just look me in my eye and say that I know. I said, what the fuck? I tell you to leave. This will be the last one. I promise you it over. Really and truly, I don't want you no more name. Professor Doodoo Batinator. Alright, leave. Alright, no. What about just come on. Rectum. Yo! Come on, the Mario! Or Rectum Ranger. That good. Rectum Ranger. Even we're security there. We're security there. Diabolical Enos man. Security, come on.